Anjas. Aneh sekali cuy, ada orang gitu. Aneh kali oblak. Ada oblak cuy. Adanya oblak cuy.
Second half underway, with City looking to build upon a positive first half performance.
Oke nih, kita buktikan oblak itu cuy.
Mbappe, and with that, the attack fizzles out.
De Paul lah.
City did well to win it back. Real chance. Decent effort there.
Well, he has such good technique. He really did hit that well. He certainly came close there.
Nahuel Molina. Koke. Vinicius Junior. Mbappe, chance here. And now the goal the City fans wanted to see. It's hard to see them throwing this away.
Ya elah cuy.
Griezmann.
Gitu aja.
Williams. Ferenc Puskás.
Tadi ya.
Well, the ball back with City here. Must be. Oh, wonderful save.
Well, he reacts so quickly there. That's a great save.
City move it forward with purpose. Is it going to be? And a goal! What a magnificent display! It's such a one-sided contest here.
Ingat kalian. Sekarang kan aku
Griezmann.
Ini siapa?
They've regained possession.
Yuk, Puskas.
He's in with a chance.
Main lagi.
Another goal! The lead grows to 4 now. A rampant display.
Kita udah
De Paul.
cepat terus.
Onto Morata.
Harus hoki sih.
Onto Puskás. Might be a chance here. A City free kick forthcoming.
Kicknya biarkan dulu.
And the keeper reacting just as we would have expected. Zambrota. Mbappe, Kylian Mbappe, a goal! We're really being spoiled. This is attacking football at its finest. Griezmann. And there goes the final whistle. A real sense of feel-good for City fans everywhere. They take the 3 points from this game. What did you make of it?
Well, Derek, they were the better team all over the pitch. We saw good individual performances. We saw an attack which was always threatening.
Apa di? Apa di? Oke, kita main-main dulu. Pahlawan cuy, harus bisa dapat 47 cuy.
So they get the ball rolling in the second half. Even Steven here. So little to choose between the sides. And unable to pick out a teammate. And that'll be a throw. Marcel Sabitzer. And he has options available. Real chance. Can they forge ahead? And it's in! 1-0. They breached the defence. Well, as they restart the game, how will Borussia Dortmund reply to that setback? Kylian Mbappe. Can he put it away? In it goes! 2 goals in rapid-fire fashion and looking very comfortable here. Emre Can. De Jong. Gianluca Zambrotta. And cleared away. Brandt. Bensebaini. Well, they stopped them in their tracks. Throw in here for Borussia Dortmund. Marcel Sabitzer. 15 minutes left for play. And he's made headway. Is it going to be? Oh, goodness me, off the post. Well, the keeper can breathe a big sigh of relief.
Well, he can. That was so unlucky. How close was that?
Smuggled away. Brandt. Karim Adeyemi. Well, no two ways about it, Stuart. City absolutely cruising to victory today.
Yeah, clearly the better side. Obviously being fantastic up front, but it's their
Must score! In it goes! To rubber stamp it once and for all! It's a massive lead, and it's very hard to imagine them losing it now.
Guys, kita bakalan pahlawan cuy.
It is going to be a Dortmund free kick.
Tayo bercoba saja.
And that'll be a Dortmund throw-in.
Putar
Brandt.
tongkatmu. Membuat benda
Well, the
jadi
referee has
besar.
instructed the fourth official to put 2 minutes on the board.
Buat mantra sekeras mungkin.
On to Puskás.
Alah, ngapain nih cuy?
And that is that, full time here and a win for City. Your verdict?
Well, Derek, what a good performance that was. They did most things right, and their attacking play was inventive and had a real cutting edge. That was a really dominant display from them today.
Okay. Oke, kita bakalan. Kita harus waktu. Kita harus semoga kita dapat yang bagus, oke. Astaga, cuy. Please dapat Forlan atau Voller. Animasi. Ya. Lah. Ada, ya kan? Lah, ini ada motor. Ini motor. Aku tahu motor. Apa cuy? Anjir, kamera sih. Animasi. Ada, kita harus ngapa lagi nih ya? Kita nampaknya harus ke motor. Motor weh. Motor. Kita bakal lewat. Alamak. Tolong. Oke lah dah guys, sampai sini dulu ya. Mau like atau subscribe, jangan lupa like and subscribe dah. Wow.